Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English for Beginners. I'm Mark from mksenglish.com, and today we will be practicing asking simple questions in English. Today's focus is who, what, where. These are very important question words. Speak slowly, relax, repeat after me. Let's begin. Today's word of the day is where. Where asks about a place. Now, repeat after me. Where? Where? Where do you live? Where do you live? Where is the station? Where is the station? Excellent. Let's practice. Listen first, then repeat slowly. Who is she? Who is she? What is your name? What is your name? Where are you from? Where are you from? What do you do? What do you do? Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? Very good. Now, let's try again together. Who is she? What is your name? Where are you from? What do you do? Where is the bathroom? Excellent work. In English, your voice usually goes up at the end of a question. For example, where are you from? Try to sound friendly and relaxed. You do not need to speak fast. Clear English is better than fast English. Repeat after me. I can ask simple questions in English. Good. Again, I can ask simple questions in English. Fantastic job. Thank you for listening to English for Beginners. Please check out other episodes from mksenglish.com. My name is Mark, and I will see you next time. Bye.